In this video, you will learn two powerful concepts when it comes to market structure, which is break of structure, which is known as BOS, and market structure shifts, which known as MSS. By the end of this video, we know how to spot trend continuation and a potential trend reversal before most trader does. So now, what is break of structure? Break of structure, also known as BOS, as I said earlier, and it happens when price break a significant swing point in the direction of the current trend. So let's take a bullish trend as example. And if you don't have a knowledge about market structure, so you can go to the previous video I uploaded before this one. So you will have a better understanding about market structure. So now let's use bullish market structure as example. So anytime you see price break a significant high in the direction of the current trend, that is what we know as break of structure. So in this case now, you see price take out this high. So when price break this high to create this higher higher, this is when at this point, when price break this particular high is what we know as break of structure, which is BOS. So, and it's continue, price creates this new high and it's give us a pullback. So when price is coming again, until when price take out this high, you cannot see that maybe when price gets to this place and you now mark this place as POS. No, it doesn't done that way. You will wait for price to break this high before you can consider that, okay, the structure has now been broken. So when price now break this high, that is when we now consider this level as what? Break of structure. So when price break above the previous high, so in the direction of the trend, that is what we know as break of structure. So, and the key points you should know about this bullish break of structure is that anytime you are having anytime price is breaking structure to the bullish side like this, that price is breaking new highs, that means the buyers are in control. So that is what is significant. That means the buyers are in control at that particular time. So let's take a bearish, for example. So we have a high, we have a low. So when price gives us this pullback and price is coming to break this high, this low here, that is bearish break of structure. So because price break this structure to the downside here, so this is break of structure to the downside. And let's say price give us another pullback and create lower low. So when price take out this low here to create this lower low, that is what we know as what? As break of structure to the downside, because price break the previous low to create new low. So that is break of structure to the downside. And anytime you're having a break of structure in a particular direction, that means the trend continue in that direction. So that is the break of structure is used for the continuation of a trend. So that is that about bullish break of structure or a bearish break of structure. So now let's talk about market structure shifts. And this is where some trader gets confused because unlike break of structure, which signal the continuation of the market, but market structure signal a possible change in trend. So market structure signal possible trend change in trend. So now, for example, now you know that this is a swing point, this is swing higher. So when the time price now come, instead of price to do something like this, maybe to continue to downside to give us the break of structure, price now come is take out this swing high in opposite direction of this trend. So when price take out this high here that we have here, that is what we know as market structure shifts, and it signal a possible change in trend. Take note of that. It signal possible change. That it doesn't mean that the trend have changed, but it signaled a possible change in trend. So MSS, so it signal possible change in trend. And when price was in this bullish market condition here also, we have and price comes to take out this low, this particular swing low that we have. Anytime price comes to take it out, that is a market structure shift. So which signal that the trend might change from this bullish trend as we have here to a bearish market condition. So it doesn't signify a trend change, but it signal possible trend change. So you know that in this case, in this bullish market condition that we have here, the buyers are in control. That's the reason why we have a break of structure to the upside. But we know that it's not possible for price to just be going in one direction forever. It's not possible. So when price comes to take out this higher low that we have here, that is what signifies that okay, it's possible for sellers to take control so that the price is not going to continue. So, and what is going to confirm if the trend has actually changed is when price now come, instead of price can decide to do something like this after price give you this market structure shift, it can decide to still continue to the upside. But if markets now fail to take out this high here and it come and break this structure, so that is when you can ask that okay, the trend has now changed from this bullish to a bearish market structure. So this second break is what is now going to be what break of structure, because the trend has now been established. Trend has been established there in this situation. So this first one is just a signal, but this second one is not that okay. The trend has now changed from this bullish towards to a bearish market condition. And same thing for this bearish market condition here. So the first break of this swing high. So it's a signal that price might change trend from this bearish market condition towards to a bullish market. So this second break that we have here is now going to confirm that okay, the trend have not changed from what? From bearish to bullish. And this second break is going to be what? BOS. BOS. So the trend has now been what? Established. The buyer have step in this case, and it might just continue like that until we have another market structure shift and break of structure to confirm that okay, the trend has been changed. So that's about market structure shift and break of structure. And how can you identify a valid break of structure? Because most time you can have something like this. Maybe price is going to give you a something like this, and you know that anytime when price take out this low, so let's say price have already you have a break of structure here, and price pull back, so give you another break. But when price is now coming to break the structure to the downside, so break the structure to the downside. So let's say in this case now price now give you a this a candlestick, right? But the this candlestick doesn't close below this guy. This swing low here is not closed back inside, and you have a weak rejection. You have a weak rejection like this. So in this case, so far the body of this candle doesn't close below this swing low. This is not a true break of structure. This is not a true break of structure. Price just take a, it's just clear some liquidity below this low and it's close back inside this structure. So this is not a true break of structure until when price now break this low with the body of a candle. So that is when you have a true break of structure. And same thing for the market structure shifts. So let's say price after this break of structure, price now come and it's give you, instead of price to break this high, price doesn't break it, just have a something like this and it's closed back below it. So this is not a true market structure shift because the body doesn't close above that zone. So because the body doesn't close above that zone, so that is how you can know a true break when it's come to market structure shifts and break of structure. So make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So if you have not joined the Telegram community, you will see the link below this video where you have access to most of this video before I post them on market insights, some trading psychology, and some trading tips. So make sure you join the Telegram if you have not joined before. So bye, see you in the next video.